Hi, I'm Joe. I'm an Irish Doodle. What do you think? I'm the reddest one. Very wavy. I'm very healthy. I'm waiting on my forever home. Looking for somebody that wants to take me home. I've had all my shots except for rabies. I've been wormed every 2 weeks. I love to play. I'm smart. I go back to my pen when I'm asked. Very playful with other doggies and would love to find me a forever home. Don't you want to take me home? I'm only $900. I'm 14 weeks old. Very playful.